Hindi mo basta-basta ma-open close. That's why client bring it here for us to fix it. Hi guys! Welcome to the episode of Tiger Garage. Today, it's another sunny day. Kayo ba? Meron kayong Fortuner na 2016 and up na may power tailgate na nasisira. Actually, this is a very common issue ng ganitong era na Fortuner. Katulad nito, sira na rin yung kanyang power tailgate. So, bubuksan natin. Ayun, wala. Hindi siya bumubukas. And then, even bumukas siya, hindi siya gumagalaw. And then, yun nga. Super tigas. So, yan yung problem natin. As in, hindi na siya gumagana at all. Makikita nyo, nag-leak na yung kanyang strut. Dito naman, nag-leak na rin, tinape pa ng may-ari. So, something's wrong. For example, ngayon, ka-close natin. Wala nangyayari. Pag sarado naman, hirap din isara. Sira na nga siya, ayaw bumukas magsara na automatically. Hindi mo pa siya ma-open close easily. As in, sobrang tigas talaga. Actually, itong car, na-repaint na namin. I hope you guys are excited. Sana itong video makatulong din sa inyo. As I always say, wait till you see. Let's go! So, ito yung ilalagay natin. This is not a original Toyota part, pero mas mura siya. Kasi original Toyota part, sobrang mahal. Original Toyota part, replacement lang ito, parang nasa 40 plus thousand. Yung ganito, a set of this, dalawa na yan, would only cost you around 18,500. Alright, medyo ginabi na tayo pero tapos na yung installation natin. Ayan, so na-install na yung bagong struts natin. Ayan o. Automatic na siya ngayon. Pwede mo na controlin any way you like. Siyempre, button dito, button sa susi, or even dun sa front. At least ngayon, hindi na mahirapan si client sa pag-open and close ng kanyang car. So ayan, if you guys are interested in this item or this service, or any of our item or services, just give us a message and let us make it happen. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you next time. Goodbye!